Have you ever wanted to launch your own online store, but felt discouraged by the technical setup, product research, and design requirements? What if you could describe your business idea in a few clear sentences and let AI build the entire foundation for you? In today's video, I'll guide you through how to use Genstore to create, structure, and prepare a fully operational dropshipping store step by step. I'll also share practical prompt examples to help you generate more accurate and strategic results. Let's get started. Step 1. Create your store. Begin by selecting Create New Store. At this stage, you define your business concept. Instead of manually configuring layouts and categories, you provide a clear description of the store you want to build. Once submitted, the AI evaluates your niche and generates product recommendations aligned with your concept. Carefully review the suggested items and select Add to Store for the products you wish to include. Genstore activates its AI-driven workflow. Dedicated AI agents begin handling separate responsibilities, structuring optimized product pages, organizing homepage layout and navigation, applying cohesive branding and visual styling. You can observe the system's progress as each task is completed. This automation significantly reduces manual effort and accelerates the store building process. When finished, you can preview the fully assembled store environment. The first phase focuses on refining your product catalog. If additional items are needed, the AI recommends options based on your selected niche. Effective prompts include: recommend high-demand products with strong margin potential. Suggest trending items suitable for paid advertising campaigns. The system may also provide pricing insights and keyword enhancements. Review and adjust these recommendations to align with your positioning strategy. Once satisfied, continue to the next step. Step 4. Homepage optimization. The design phase allows you to enhance the store's presentation. You may upload reference images or provide structured instructions such as create a professional homepage with clear call-to-action sections. Design a premium layout using neutral tones and balanced spacing. Develop a bold and modern interface targeting a younger demographic. The AI first generates a design brief for review. After approval, it applies refinements to your homepage. Preview the updated layout and publish once finalized. Additional adjustments can be made if necessary. Now finalize your brand identity. You can request AI-generated name suggestions with prompts like, generate distinctive and brandable names for an e-commerce store. Alternatively, input a name you have already selected. Next, configure your domain. Choose from suggested options or connect an existing domain to strengthen credibility and brand consistency. Step 6. Payment and shipping setup. Genstore automatically activates the payment system during store creation. Review the configuration to ensure it aligns with your operational preferences. Proceed to shipping settings. Default rules are pre-established, but you may customize them based on delivery regions, estimated timelines, and pricing models. Careful configuration at this stage supports a smooth customer experience. At this point, your store is fully structured and prepared. Products selected and refined. Homepage professionally enhanced brand identity, established payment system, activated shipping settings configured. What traditionally required significant technical knowledge and time investment is now streamlined through intelligent automation. With Genstore, you provide the direction, and AI executes the infrastructure. If you found this walkthrough informative, consider subscribing for more detailed insights into AI-powered business solutions. Share your questions or feedback in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.